Hi and welcome. My name is Lorna. We're going to do a short yoga practice today to really give us some energy. I've not long woke up, so it's great in the morning. So it's not as if I've been doing yoga to make myself feel really flexible and show off on YouTube. Quite the opposite. This is trauma-informed yoga, so the language is a bit different. So join me now. Taking a mat. You don't need a mat, but we're going to just start with our feet slightly apart. Toes are facing this away and that away. So we're going to take 3 powerful breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bend the knees wide, squeeze the face. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So we want to get some serotonin going, right? So this is serotonin is the stuff they put in antidepressants. Make some circles with your hips. So it's the stuff they put in serotonin. So there's some exercises we can do, some yoga we can do that's going to give us a bit of a head start on the day. If we didn't sleep great, I didn't sleep brilliantly last night, and I'm obsessed with sleep. And if I don't have good sleep, I'm rubbish. So this is why I'm doing this with you now, rather than when I'm perfect, which I don't know happens very often, but I put a lot of pressure on myself. Okay, so we're going to do something called the sun salutation. Sounds scary, but let's break it down, make it easy. Okay, so coming to the edge of your mat, we are going to inhale up and exhale, fold forward. So you're going to feel stiff, like my backs of my legs feel like wood, like this wooden fence. It'll melt away. Okay, inhale. I'm just going to straighten my back so it's like a table. And fold down. 1 foot, take it back. Doesn't matter which one. Lunge. Inhale up. Arms, take them wide. It's morning. What can you see? Exhale. I'm just going to lengthen the hamstring here. Hands down. Bring that front foot back. We're in plank. Oh, I can feel the stiffness. Forehead on the floor. Inhale. Lengthen the spine. You can make it simpler, keep it lower if you like, depending on your back. Back bends help us wake up and energise us. Down onto all fours, tuck the toes into downward dog. Give it a walk out. Hamstrings. My hamstrings are really tight, even though I've done yoga for a long time. I kid myself I'm not, but I think I cheat. Okay. Then the foot that we had back, we're going to sweep it forward. So we're on the lunge on the other side. Top yoga tipped. Tuck your top in. And inhale up. Oh, I'm just going to straighten that leg again. Hands forward. Just bring the back leg to meet the front. Inhale, open it up. Slowly exhale. Okay, we're going to do that again on the other side. So a set is both sides. Okay, so let's sweep the arms. Maybe back bend a bit. That comes after a few rounds usually. Exhale, fold. Inhale, tabletop. Down. Other foot, send it back. So we are making serotonin here in our brains. Squeeze the face, wiggle the fingers. Big smile, squeeze your eyes. Waking up, waggle the jaw. Lengthen that hamstring just for a moment. Hands down. Plank. Just roll the body down onto the mat. Inhale. To the back bend that feels good for you right now. You can take a few breaths here. Slow it down. Tuck the toes into downward dog. Walk the dog with the heels. Maybe move into this a bit more. What do I mean by that? I mean if it's somewhere feels good and you move into it, do it again. And bring the front foot forward. Sweep the arms. Already I feel like my fascia has melted a bit, the stiffness. Wiggle the fingers, take your arms wider, take them wider. Take the deepest breath you've taken all day. Stretch, stretch, stretch up. Armpit to elbow, elbow to wrist, wrist to finger. Down, tuck the back foot under. Come forward. Both feet on the floor. Push through the feet, bend the knees. Big sun. Palms together. And down. Excellent. So we'll do that again. So that's one set. Ideally, you want to be doing 3. So it's sort of like 6 turns, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll do it again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Step back. Okay, sweep the arms. Okay, feel your feet. I can feel that really pulling on my psoas muscle just in the front of the hip. Wider. Yeah. Hamstring super tight, which I was in denial of. Slow back bend. Just hold any of these for as long as you want. Hands under the shoulders, push onto all fours, tuck the toes. Maybe pushing through one hand to the opposite heel. And then bringing the other foot forward. I always forget which one is which, it doesn't matter. Swing the arms back. Take them wide, wiggle the fingers. Just bringing the back foot to meet the front foot. Arms up. Down. Okay, and again. Sweep the arms back, fold forward. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, other foot goes back. Sweep the arms, bend the knee. Back into plank, lowering down knees, chest, chin, all the shoulder blades back. Come into a back bend that feels good for you. So I'm really enjoying also bending my neck a bit. I'm going to stay here a bit longer. Waking the body up. Give it a bit of a squeeze, eyes, jaw. Ooh. Maybe there's a yawn in there. Tuck the toes under, up into that downward dog. And bring the foot forward. Oh, release. So this set of postures, hands at the top, release. Okay, we'll go again. Doesn't matter which side, let's just go with it. This set of postures that's getting our heart rate up. It's working in the fascia, connecting breath, movement, but also filling the lower lungs, which is going to help us relax in the parasympathetic nervous system, but it's waking us up. So this is the serotonin hit. Do you want to do it every morning? No. Will you have a better day if you do? Yes. Will it actually only take you about 6 minutes? Yes. We are human. Sometimes we can't be bothered. Again, just stay in that posture that I'm wanting to do this because my back's stiff. Because it's morning. Yeah. So Sarah, you've got to have energy to do this. So whether that means you need to have eaten first or not, but this is, you need some energy to be able to move. Some people, like I say, they don't need to eat first thing, but I do. I need something, otherwise I'm just going to wreck myself. So you know your own body. What fuel do you need to be able to move? Coming back up. We'll do one more. One more. Lucky dip on the side because I've completely forgotten. And it doesn't matter. Okay, sweep it down. Up, back bend. Exhale forward. Head is hanging. L shape on the back and drop down. Actually, this time let's experiment with just taking both feet back. Takes out the left and the right. We'll probably reduce the time. Knees, chin, chest. Up again in that back bend. All fours. You can always just go back in the pose of the child here if that feels better. Before coming up in a downward dog. Step both feet forward and then open up. So there's a different option for you rather than the left and right. Taking it down. Okay, so you will feel warmer. I feel warmer, feel hotter. Probably want some breakfast now. It's going to help get your serotonin up. Stick it in the morning, whether you do one side, the other side, or both feet back. Go for it, do it. You will have a better day if you do this. It's not a miracle. It's not some spiritual guru nonsense. It's because you are generating serotonin in your body. Well done. See you next time.